Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the key up and the key down event handlers in the Vue 3. In the previous video we have discussed about the modifiers, right? Now we have going to take one of the modifiers and use it on our code. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the Vue 3, you can handle the key up, key down events using the event handlers, because somewhere we require this one. Like if we have the key down and the key up, whenever we have a requirement like the phone number validation, email validation, or you can go with the pin code validation, zip code validation, right? So in that case, or the username validation, if we require the only 3 characters, up to that 5 characters, 6 characters, up to that he can't handle at the rate or something. In that case we have to use the key up and the key down, right? So let's copy and check this one code. Okay, so here we have this one. So let's check this one. Clear the console. Okay, so now I am going to key pressed, so key released s. Okay, so now released, now I'm now this key pressed and the key released. You can see that key pressed, key released. Okay, here you can see that when I have done the key pressed and when there is a key released. So on that note you can also add the check. Here if I go and just remove this key released, backspace, here you can see that backspace, q key pressed, key released, q pressed, released, pressed, released, right? So in that case you can also add the check over here. So let's check the code. So here we have the input type text v model, that is type text, key up, key down, handle key down. So okay, so here we have the two functions methods. You can see the handle key up and the handle key down. So the key pressed come over here, right? So methods are there, handle key up event. So this key pressed, right? So the key pressed event dot key, right? Whether which key it is, like whatever you have typed in it. Okay, then we have a handle key down, get the key that was pressed, which key it has pressed, so it will come up with here, right? And then script closed. Okay, let's understand. Key up is used to handle the event when the key is released. Okay, key up is used to handle the event when the key is released. Key down is used to handle the event when the key is pressed down. Okay, within the event handler methods, handle key up and handle key down, you can assess the information about the event through the event object. The event dot key property gives you the value of the key that was pressed or released, which we have done, right? Event dot key. Okay, so this is how we can do that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.